Explore a world of online income opportunities through affiliate marketing. Our article, The Ultimate Guide to Starting Your Affiliate Marketing Journey, walks you through essential steps to embark on this lucrative endeavor. Chapter 1. Understanding Affiliate Marketing. Learn about affiliate marketing's partnership dynamics between you as an affiliate and vendors. Promote products and earn commissions for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Chapter 2. Choosing your niche. Select a niche to focus on a specific audience. For example, fitness enthusiasts can promote relevant products. Chapter 3. Researching affiliate programs. Discover suitable affiliate programs through platforms like Affiliate Platform Name. Access a wide array of products to promote. Chapter 4. Building your online presence. Create a niche website or blog using platforms like WordPress to establish your online presence. Chapter 5. Creating quality content. Craft engaging content that addresses your audience's needs. Strategically integrate affiliate links within your content. Chapter 6. Promoting your affiliate offers. Utilize SEO, social media, and email marketing to increase content visibility. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube can effectively showcase products. Chapter 7. Tracking and optimization. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor traffic and conversions, enabling data-driven optimization. Chapter 8. Scaling your affiliate business. Scale your affiliate business through expanded online presence, diversified income sources, or collaborations. Conclusion. Begin your affiliate marketing journey armed with knowledge and resources. Success requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. Final call to action. Start your affiliate marketing journey today with our course. Click here, link in description or in bio.